Hello Vanilos! Welcome to our yummy world!
We are Lily
and Willy from Vanille Couture, and we want to celebrate with you the new Yummy Collection branding.
The Yummy Collection is a food gel coloring set created and inspired by Vanille Couture in collaboration with Enco Foods, and it brings together 9 beautiful colors that we use to create cookie and cakes, achieving a wide range of different shades.
With our Yummy Collection, combining colors will be extremely easy, because if you choose our yummy colors inside the box, you will always achieve an eye-catching Pantone that will help you to enhance the beauty of your creations.
In addition to this, it includes a decorating booklet with 8 different cookie tutorials, and in this video, I will show you 4 of them. Remember that you can find the other 4 directly in Enco Foods' YouTube channel.
Well, Vanilas, as we know that many of you already want to see the new image and label in detail, let's go ahead with the unboxing.
Let's go and see it! And we would like to show you what our Yummy Collection looks like. In the cover, you will find the name and the 8 cookie designs that we will be sharing with you. On the top lid, we have included this pink bow since we wanted you to feel this is wrapped as a cute little gift for yourself. On one side, you will see our photograph and a thank you note for trusting this new project. On the back, you will find the ingredients list, and the last side of the box, you will find the 9 food gel colors that are included. Before we begin, remember that all boxes will include a protective seal that are previously opened here. At first, we will open the top lid. Cute tiny hearts will appear on the top flaps, and a sweet inspiring phrase pops up. Best ideas come from the heart. And this is something we believe in. Once we open it, you will see our cookie booklet, and inside this booklet, you will find the little story behind this project. The food gel colors included, different ideas on how to use them, a super delicious sugar cookie recipe that comes with a QR code for you to scan, and this automatically directs you to our YouTube channel on how to prepare it step by step. You will also find the QR code that will direct you to our Domestica course and the YouTube video with Enco's Royalizing Consistencies tutorial. We want you to have fun and succeed when using our Yummy Collection. And from this page on, you will find all the step-by-step guide of the 8 cookie designs. At last but not least, we will be very happy and grateful if you show some love to our project by tagging us in your Yummy Collection creations at Vanille Couture and at Enco Foods USA. Now it's time to introduce to you our yummy food gel colors. As you can see, we needed to include a little heart on our food gel colors cap, and we have named each of them after cute and sweet ingredients. We will start with blueberry, followed by avocado heart, minty marshmallow, watermelon red, creamy ivory, sweet peach, lavender, bubblegum pink, and gingerbread man. And remember that all of our food gel colors from our Yummy Collection will have a tiny heart on their cap so that it will become easy for you to recognize our yummy colors from the rest of Enco's food gel color line. Now it's time for our cookie tutorials. Now it's time to start with our rainbow cookie. We will start outlining with our medium consistencies in pink bubblegum, followed by our minty marshmallow, next with lavender, and at last with blueberry. With white icing, I'm going to outline the clouds in both sides. And now it's time to start flooding with our pink bubblegum tone. And I will help smooth out my icing with my scribe tool. My next step will be to flood with lavender, leaving one section free for my different arches to crust and give a puffier look. Once my first sections are semi-dry, it is time to flood with minty marshmallow. Followed by our blueberry icing, the missing sections, and we will take it to the dehydrator for 10 minutes. At last, we will flood our clouds with white icing. Look how cute these colors are! Now it's time for our watermelon lolly cookie. You will find the step-by-step guide on how to place the popsicle stick in our cookie inside our Yummy Collection booklet. We will be using our watermelon red and avocado hard food gel colors. We will start to outline the sides of my watermelon slice, and the bottom line will be slightly curved. Immediately after outlining, we will start flooding. This is one of my favorite colors. I love our red because it is not too dark, but instead it looks very bright. I feel this watermelon red will give a sweeter look to your cookies. Now it's time to outline and flood the base of my watermelon slice with our avocado hard icing. As soon as I finish flooding this small section, I will create a wet-on-wet look with my neon green icing. Think of creating small zigzags, and then we will take our cookie to the dehydrator. Now it's time to give finishing touches. Let's flood with white icing the missing section. And now it's time to pipe our seeds with our black icing. Remember to use a medium consistency to create these teardrop shapes. And finally, our watermelon cookie is ready. Finally, it is turn to decorate our Baby Yoda cookie. For this project, we will be using avocado heart for his face and a little bit of gingerbread man for his coat and creamy ivory for attire details. We will start to outline our face carefully. Whoops! Sometimes a bubble may cause my icing to break, but do not worry, we can clean slightly with our scribe tool, and I keep going with my outline. We will outline his ears as well. Now we will flood his face, and before it starts drying, I will place 2 chocolate pearls to simulate his eyes. If you do not have this kind of pearls, remember you can always add the eyes details with black royal icing once the first layer has already dried. On the other hand, I will start outlining my Baby Yoda's coat, making sure to flood sections that are not together. This will help with our puffier look, and we will let dry for 10 minutes approximately in between. Now let's flood our top side of our ears, and we will flood the bottom part with same avocado hard tone, but not as saturated, a lighter tone. Remember to pop any bubbles with our scribe tool. We will flood the rest of his coat. We will flood his scarf with creamy ivory icing, as well as the bottom part. And we will finally add his little hands by piping 2 small circles with avocado heart. Once our cookie has dried for a while, we will add finishing touches to his face. We will add his forehead wrinkles with medium consistency, his eyebrows, and a little nose, and we will paint his smile with an edible marker. This is ready! And well, we have finished this first part of the cookie tutorials with our yummy collection.
Leave us in the comment which of these 9 colors has been your favorite. Also tell us which of these 4 cookies has been your favorite.
Remember that you can find Enco's products in more than 10 different countries in Latin America, including Mexico, the United States, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, among others. And the most incredible thing is that we continue to grow, so stay tuned because more and more countries will start joining our Enco family.
Thank you all very much for choosing our yummy collection as your favorite colors for the entire year. We will leave here below our social media, so don't forget to follow us to keep learning with our content and keep an eye on the big surprises that are coming.
Stay tuned and see you soon. We love you, Vanilos!